All right, here we are with Gabe, green shirt Gabe, rocking one of the new tees with the Super View.
Oh yeah.
Was that a real laugh? Was that a real laugh?
What?
Green shirt Gabe.
What else do you have?
All right. What do I have? Oh, okay. So anyways, what we're doing?
I only have these cards.
Can you describe to us what we're doing?
So we're gonna basically be picking our cards at random.
We're both getting ready to do a workout.
Throw them in a cup, and whatever you pick out is what you have to use in your deck.
Yeah, these are the ones that I have unlocked right now. Hot Rock, Scotty, yada
I think
yada
we have all
yada.
of the same. You probably have
pretty
some. You
similar.
have some extra ones.
Because I'm in Arena 5, you're in Arena 3, so I have a few extra ones. So if you don't have it, you could just not choose it.
I just won't choose it. So wait, what else do you have? Your water owl.
I really hope I don't get Minion Crew, dude. I don't think I've ever used Minion Crew.
That'd be a fail.
Yeah.
I'm gonna purposely tell you that you got it when you really didn't.
So anyways, random champion generator. Okay, we got him in
Here,
there.
all the cards are in there.
Champion.
Okay, for your first champion,
First champion.
what's
Should
it
I grab
gonna
a
be?
couple or just one?
Just one.
Sunbird, dude.
Sunbird. Okay.
Sunbird.
All right.
All right,
Sunbird.
second champion. Minion
Crew, the one that you did not want at all. Oh no. Okay.
Minion Crew.
Okay.
Oh no. I can just get
Sunbird.
those two, dude.
Minion Crew.
Title.
Okay.
Title. Sunbird, Minion Crew. Title.
That's not terrible so far.
Yeah.
Oh. Looks like Winja. Okay.
He's a good one.
All right. Actually, you're not doing too bad.
A good one. Lightning Tiger.
Lightning Tiger. Okay. Attack those gates and crystal pretty quickly there.
I'm just gonna use Minion Crew though.
Minion Crew. Just get like 50 minions out there.
It's gonna be interesting. Torture.
Torture.
Okay.
Is that all 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here we are with the brick. First drawing is first champion.
First card is
Winja, that's a good. Title, nice. So far, so good.
It's hard to tell if you have one. Hot Rocks.
Hot Rocks, dude. That's kind of a hit and miss champion, but
Yeah. I don't use Hot Rocks.
you're stuck with
It's
it.
like giving away free elixir. All right. Aqua Fist.
Aqua Fist,
Okay. So
crowd
what's that
fave,
for? All right.
and is this your last one or
No,
fifth
this
one?
is 5th one. Spark Crows. I don't have Spark Crows.
Spark. Oh, you don't have Spark
No Spark
Crows.
Crows
Okay.
yet. Not yet.
We're gonna have to do this again at like Arena 9.
I know. You're gonna do it when you have like all the units. Minion Crew. Don't have.
You like me?
I'm looking out over here. I feel like. Okay. What do we have here? What's his next one? Rock Dude.
Rock Dude. You have Rock Dude, right? Oh, you have Rock Dude and
man,
Title?
and Title.
Oh shoot.
I like Big Sue. Big Sue's the best tank. Shout out Big Sue. Okay.
Oh.
What do we have here?
Torture.
Dang. Okay, that's an interesting deck. We'll see how that goes.
Alright, just doing some checks on the OBS recording. I've never used Minion Crew. This is kind of, they could look pretty cool, but I have a feeling I'm not really gonna be a fan after this. But you never know. We do have Title. I'm gonna throw Title out there real quick because we got 2 fire elements coming down the other side. Sheer and Sunbird. Get Title out there, help a little bit with the defense. Hop into some deadlift. There we go. Get Sheer out of here. And we got Sunbird up there. Such a weird slam pattern. Minion Crew, attack! There we go. Oh! Gabe, these Minion Crews are useless!
Yeah, I know.
They're useless! But I'm still gonna deploy them. Oh shoot. Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh no. Yes. Yes. Oh, and that's only round one. The plan today is to stack elixir and unleash hell. We're gonna just let him take that crystal down a little bit. Then we're gonna take him out. Oh man. God, I'm sore. Take out these torches here and all these minions. That'll do. All right. Let's unleash another attack. Oh, I don't use these units at all. This is hard. God.
Supercharged.
Oh, I need that over there.